Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a single, high-resolution image and loading it into Gemini's editor. Pick the retro preset to lock the tonal base. Once loaded, switch to RAW mode if you have it, because that preserves highlight and shadow detail for later. Now increase exposure slightly and reduce highlights. This opens detail in bright areas. Make a modest contrast boost to add bite. While you work, keep an eye on clipping warnings. They tell you when color detail is lost. Once the base exposure is stable, you sculpt tone and color to get that retro film look. Start with split toning, lift highlights toward warm hues and cool the shadows slightly. This recreates aged chemical contrast. Then craft an S-curve. Raise midtones a touch and deepen shadows just enough to emulate film density. After that, add 8 to 12 units of grain for texture, dial down clarity to soften digital harshness, and apply a gentle vignette so the subject stays central. Finish by selectively sharpening and preparing output settings tailored to your destination. You should sharpen moderately, mask the effect away from smooth areas, and choose sRGB for online or Adobe RGB for print. This preserves color intent. Once exported, recheck exposure. Sometimes files shift by 1/2 to 1 stop during conversion. If you see banding, don't panic. Lower JPEG compression, introduce a tiny bit of noise, or slightly reduce saturation to break flat gradients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.